How to fix TikTok couldn't change the photo. Hello guys, in this new tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok couldn't change the photo. So all what you have to do is very simple. There is two ways. The first way is you have to go to the Play Store like this and go to this search bar right here in the top and search for TikTok like this. Click on it. Now right here you will find this update option. You should click on it if you don't have the latest version. This is the first way. The second way, you have to go to settings, go to wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it again, and then go to the apps here, go to TikTok and click here on this force stop option. And that's it. Now reopen TikTok and the problem must be solved. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.